Lock initiating. Lock engaged. Lock active. Doors seal. Containment confirmed.
We need to raise this about 6 inches.
Okay, steady. Is that high enough?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Containment confirmed.
Ensure the weight is evenly distributed across the rollers.
Confirmed. The main segment is clear of the intake.
Keep the pressure steady on Sector Gamma.
Copy that. Watching the markers now.
Clear the path ahead.
Send it forward. Watch the alignment.
Pressure stabilizing. Proceeding to Unit 2.
The molds are finally locked in place.
Affirmative. The sequence was successful.
Gantry 7, ease off the tension. We're clear on this side.
Confirmed. Lowering now.
All stations confirm green. Begin ascent slowly. Watch the tail section.
Lowering sequence initiated. Secure Zone 7. Rack placement confirmed.
The subject is restless. Lights are down to 40%.
Acknowledged. Maintaining containment.
Storage phase complete.
Scan results indicate a density fluctuation at sector G12.
Acknowledged. Recalibrating arm for closer analysis.
Solid remains are dried in towering heat chambers. Material breaks down into fine powder. Powder flows into giant silos.